It is highly likely that the price of XRP will skyrocket to $30 because of this exploding interest in the SOLO token. So make sure not to miss this shocking update by watching this video until the end. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. So in this video, I will specifically talk with you about Sologenic and the SOLO token, so if you hold XRP, be sure to watch it. In addition to that, there is some information on what is happening in terms of how many people are tracking the SOLO token market and following its movements. Also, I have some information regarding the new airdrop that's coming up as well as the exchange where it will be listed. Further into the video, I will take a closer look at what Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse stated in their statement about the regulation of cryptocurrencies. Also, I will explain their main points along the way. Furthermore, there have been some speculations as to why they are releasing the new document right now, considering the ongoing case with the SEC. Also, what is the trend of this bull run in terms of the market cycle, and what does some of the data point toward in the near term? What is one crypto analyst saying about a possible major correction? And I will also talk about the Ripple versus SEC case. Alright, let's get started. Firstly, I want to address what is actually happening with Bitcoin right now. And this is because after it dipped below 60,000 and touched 58,000, it's now climbing upward. Several people have asked why the market is doing the things it is doing, if this is supposed to be a bull run, if this is supposed to be a big month like November and December. In fact, Plan B indicates that 98,000 are still in play in November. However, due to the current price of Bitcoin and the fact that November has already come to an end, I no longer believe it is feasible. However, the stock-to-flow model, which currently predicts 135,000 by December's end, or sometime in December, is also in play. So what's the deal with the correction? Obviously, there are many factors involved with this correction. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, just hit a new all-time high last November 5th at $69,000, and typically after hitting new highs, it will correct. Additionally, so many people are thinking about this is going to be a long-term bull run and the Bitcoin will boom at some point. In addition, leveraged traders continue to invest all their money and they get wiped out when they make mistakes. Then over the past few weeks, leveraged traders liquidated about $882 million worth of assets, putting the market at least temporarily in a downward trajectory. So where does that leave us now? One speculative analyst, Crypto Sector, points out that the pullback will not be over. In fact, he anticipates it will go even lower, back to about the $2.4 trillion market cap of all crypto before it resumes its rise. Furthermore, he believes that healthy corrections like this are necessary, but the market might need to go through a 20% correction before it truly takes off and lifts the rest of it. Then here's what Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO, together with the head of regulatory compliance of Ripple, just announced in their approach to cryptocurrency compliance. In the statement, Ripple also mentions several times that in their opinion, it's really the collaboration between the public and private sectors that will make the most effective regulatory laws. And this was the essence of the statement, which was a few pages long. However, they mention in that U.S. regulators can actually apply existing frameworks to the cryptocurrency markets, and they do that by simply adapting some of those frameworks. Then a further step toward the right direction could be the use of these existing frameworks in the creation of what he called innovation sandboxes. The second premise of everything they say is that both public and private sectors should collaborate to create real-life regulatory systems that benefit both innovators and investors during this time of innovation. As a matter of fact, he referred to two proposed regulations already on the table. Number one is the Securities Clarity Act, which proposes to redefine the term investment contract asset, and the point of this is to distinguish between standard securities and digital assets. Also, there is a Digital Commodity Exchange Act, which could create a federal definition of what constitutes a digital commodity exchange. Moreover, the CFTC is the entity that should be responsible for these regulatory acts, not the SEC. So what do you think about Brad Garlinghouse's decision to present essentially a framework for what they believe could be a productive collaboration that clarifies regulatory issues? This is because it seems like bipolar crypto and a few other players in the crypto space believe this appears to be an almost pre-settlement announcement. It means that he would not actually put out a statement like this, saying we needed to work together unless he actually understands what's going on. It's a wild guess, but nevertheless it's possible. And now I want to talk about is SOLOgenic. The reason for this is, if you hold XRP or SOLOgenic, you hold SOLO tokens. This refers to the massive new number of eyeballs that has been added to the SOLO token, which I recommend paying attention to. It's obvious that we all know about the big price movements it's made these past couple of weeks. It has since pulled back and is gaining a little momentum again. The reason, I think, is that this is what Bitcoin is experiencing at the moment. However, there is a user named Cesar Torres who screenshotted a watch list number from CoinMarketCap. In it, it was shown that SOLO tokens were included on the third most amount of watch lists on the CoinMarketCap. The coin is not even ranked in the top 10. It's not in the top 250. And the coin has 1.8 million investors who have added it to their watch lists based on the CoinMarketCap just at the time of the screenshot. Seeing that it's available and there is a lot of interest, I'm in the process of finding out about another exchange that's planning to list it and what they're going to do regarding the new XRP Airdrop. But before I do that, I'd like to talk a bit about why so many people are considering SOLO right now. No, it isn't really a speculation, but it's common knowledge right now on Twitter, and if you go to YouTube, you will see people talking about the coming airdrop. With the airdrop, you'll receive a token in some form or amount if you hold SOLO or XRP. SOLOgenic is going to take a snapshot on December 24th to determine how many people should hold XRP and how many people hold SOLO tokens. If the snapshot shows that as much as 43% of people hold SOLO tokens, they will distribute them based on that. It is no secret that everyone loves free money, so they're interested in free airdrops. Another thing is that SOLOgenic actually has a competition in which they're giving away 120K worth of SOLO tokens. Furthermore, there's SOLO, which has great tokenomics, and it's also a breakthrough technology that enables buying, selling, and trading tokenized securities, which is new. Additionally, it will be built on the XRP technology, which means that it will be interoperable with just about everything. Moreover, a lot of people are comparing SOLANA to Binance Coin and the Binance token, both from the perspective of tokenomics and price prediction. It is worth noting that both had parabolic years and both had several 100 million coins in circulation, so it is easy to estimate their values. They might be worth $100, $200, or $600 each, and these are the reasons why so many people are participating in this free airdrop. And this is only a price speculation, and SOLANA is a different ecosystem from SOLO, which cannot necessarily be compared. However, Binance, which is a cryptocurrency exchange using the Binance token to facilitate all its transactions, is not quite the same as SOLO, but they are both using tokenomics in very similar ways. A number of exchanges have just announced that SOLO will be added to their offerings, and one of them is BitTrue. In that case, you can head over to BitTrue soon to get your SOLO tokens, and they said they will support the SOLO airdrop to XRP holders as well. And we have just witnessed a huge drop in Bitcoin, and the holders of XRP have already become really, really enthusiastic about not only XRP, but also the SOLO token. So how has the price of XRP been predicted recently? In the XRP price analysis from according to CoinGeckoX, 27 indicators show bullish signals. However, one bearish signal occurs. Moreover, Digital Coins analysis shows its price will reach $2.17 on average in 2022 and $3.94 on average in 2025. Furthermore, the forecast indicates that it could reach an average of $4.46 by 2026. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.